We will now show you the safety features of this aircraft. Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, push the end together. To tighten, pull the loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt the buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift the top of the buckle, pull and release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats. On water landing, remove all sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take the tape around the waist. Push the end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When you're already outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cord at the lower end of your vest. If it fails to inflate, blow onto the red tubes. Push pin inwards of the tube to release air. The light will automatically activate when submerged to water. Only inflate your life vest outside the aircraft. During decompression, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Immediately grab those oxygen masks and pull firmly towards your face. Put them over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for firm and breathe normally. Keep the mask on until you are advised otherwise. If there is a child or other passengers who needs your help, put your mask first before helping them. The emergency exits are clearly marked for your guidance. Locate the exits nearest you. In case of power loss or extreme smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path marking on the floor will lead you to these exits during evacuation. For more information, please read the safety cards in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seatbelts are fastened, seat backs upright, window shades are open, and tables are stowed. Thank you for listening.